Welcome to Trusted Nose with the man that likes to smell good, me. So we're back, people, with a first impression / unboxing video for Tom Ford Noir Extreme, which came out in 2015. So for the past 4 months, this has been on my to smell / to buy list, but can't lie to you, I've been procrastinating. I've just been buying other fragrances. I've been buying a lot of cheapies recently, so I've got a little something for my broke boys. So yeah, like I said, I was just procrastinating, and as of recent, man, I got paid, so the account was looking kind of healthy. So I had to dash that in the basket. It's come recently, and now we're here. So before I do that, let me read you out the notes. I had to write these notes down because there's so many, but we move anyway. All right. So for the top notes, we've got mandarin, neroli, saffron, cardamom, nutmeg. For the hard notes, we've got kufi, and that's not a bad pronunciation of a Ghanaian. Kufi is an Indian dessert. Apparently, it's got a lot of nuts in it. Hope to try it one day. We've got mastic resin, we've got rose, jasmine, and orange blossom. And for the base notes, we've got amber, sandalwood, and vanilla. I can't lie, once again, sounds like a bit of me. So this is a complete blind buy, and hopefully it'll be successful, because I did that high risk, high reward. So bought the 100 ml as well, not the 50. So I'm ready. I hope you're ready to see my reaction. So without further ado, let's fucking have it.
Let's fucking have it.
So we're back. I had to go and grab the box. So let me try and, I can't even focus, the light is too bright. But yeah, so here's the box. You see the little T for Tom. And you see the F for Ford. And obviously the ingredients on the back. Sorry, this light is really getting in the way. But when I take this plastic off, you'll see it a little bit better, So, I'm ready, boy, I'm ready. Aye, cool. I should have really disinfected this, because can't be too trusted nowadays, you know what I mean? Alright, okay. So here's the box. Little T, Tom Ford, genuine product. Alright. Ooh wee. Oh yeah, just on the side note, unless the box is like an incredible presentation, I don't really care for it. So we move. Alright, so here's the bottle. So it's kind of like the box. So once again, you have the T, Tom, and you got the F, Ford. So black bottle, gold cap. Cap is obviously plastic, but it's well made and it'll look nice on your drawer or something like that. Obviously, got the 3.4 ounce, so the 100 ml. We've got the sprayer. So Tom Ford Noir Extreme, first impressions. Let's go. Okay, so here's the sprayer. Ooh, okay, now it makes sense. Okay. Yeah, no, I like this. Yeah, I like this. So, right off the jump, I'm getting a lot of spices. I'm getting the nutmeg. I'm getting cardamom as well. And obviously the orange blossom. Was it orange blossom? Mandarin, that's it. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, no, I like this a lot. Yeah, this is a bit of me. Wait. Now I understand. Okay, so when I was researching Tom Ford Noir Extreme, people would say online like it smells a little bit like this fragrance. Saying it smells a little bit like this Spice Bomb Extreme. And I can understand why, with the spiciness and everything. But also, they said that the cardamom in this was similar to L'Ami Delon. It's just like sophisticated, it's well blended. Very, very well blended, but that's Tom Ford for you. I'm gonna let it dry down for another 5-10 minutes. So actually, for another 7 minutes. I'm gonna come back in 7 minutes, and I'm gonna give you my final verdicts on my first impression. All right, so stay tuned. Yeah, this is really nice. I was expecting it to be a little bit sweeter than what it was, because people were saying that obviously it's a gourmand sensor, quite sweet. But this is it's not too sweet. It's like perfect. It's fine. Like I said, like this is for me. So I would say this is let me be silly. I'll say this is grown and sexy. So I'll say like the age range of someone who should wear this is probably like 25 and up. Even though 25 isn't grown. Yeah, this is beautiful stuff. I can't lie. So yeah, I'm back, people, and yes, that's it. Yeah, this is for me, Tom Ford Noir Extreme. The dry down on my skin right now, it's creamy, it's sexy. I can smell the vanilla, I can smell the nuts, but also I can smell the kufi. The kufi in this, or kufi are called, it makes this fragrance right now. Like it's beautiful stuff. Like I said before, it's slightly leaning towards colder weather. So autumn, obviously, because I'm from England. So autumn/fall, winter. I suppose you could get away with wearing it in warmer weather, but you have to be light on the trigger. So probably like 1 or 2 sprays. The projection is average. It's not beast mode or anything like that. But yeah. And this is what I expect for Tom Ford fragrances. Like, this is a very, very good gourmand fragrance. So this was a successful blind buy from the house of Tom Ford Noir Extreme. I would recommend you to get this for me. So if you like Spice Bomb, if you like La Nuit de l'Homme, hopefully I pronounced that right, you're gonna like this. Women are gonna like this as well. They're really gonna like it. So, as always, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. It'll be much appreciated.